a great choice today with the 2018 Nissan Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and push-button ignition offer convenience and control. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, heated seats, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, compass, security system, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, trip computer, heated front seats, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, CD player, panic alarm. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.